The benefit here, the big benefit here is it's zero risk if you do it correctly. Hey, it's Kevin A. Malsh, Pine Financial Group, where we work together so you succeed. Hey, you found us here on YouTube. Please help us build a community here. We would really love it if you mash on that subscribe button, maybe hit that notification button so you get notified each and every week when we drop brand new content. I want to talk about something that is a little bit confusing to newer real estate investors. We're talking about wholesaling real estate compared to bird dogging real estate. What are they? What are the differences? So wholesaling is a fantastic way to get started as a real estate investor. Many real estate investors get started this way. The way it works is you go out and find properties, get them under contract, then you quickly flip to another real estate investor who will do the rehab for you. So give you a quick example. If you're gonna get a house under contract for, let's say, $95,000, just to keep the math simple, but another real estate investor is willing to buy that property for $100,000 because they believe they could fix it up and resell it for $180,000 or $200,000, let's say. You could sell your contract or your position in that deal for $5,000 because you have it under contract for $95,000 and they're willing to pay $100,000. The benefit here, the big benefit here is it's zero risk if you do it correctly for you. You don't need money, you don't need credit, you don't need a job, you don't really need anything except for a little bit of education, which you're getting right here on this channel. So it's a great way to get started. A little bit of work because you got to go out and find the properties, but risk-free. Now, if you're a little bit nervous about making offers, putting up the earnest money, if you need earnest money, and it's just a little bit scary for you, you can get started as a real estate investor with all the same benefits. No money, no risk, no job, no nothing by bird dogging. And the way that works is you're out there working your network, finding motivated sellers, doing some marketing if you want to, get some leads coming in, and simply pass those leads on to a real estate investor who can go out and get it under contract and negotiate the deal. So you're not negotiating anything, you're simply bringing in leads and selling those leads or getting paid if the real estate investor can put a house under contract. So those are the differences. Wholesaling, you're gonna have a lot more control because you have the contract. You should make more money. Bird dogging, super, super easy to get started. Hopefully this helps clear up the differences between bird dogging and wholesaling. Please ask me your questions, leave me some comments below, and you can check us out at pinefinancialgroup.com.